$1.74 for a half gallon. So how much would the first question you need to answer. How much is 2 half gallons of milk?
You're right.
Oh.
Number 5, the square root of negative 64. Jose, did you put that in your calculator? No, that's the cube root.
348.
That's the cube root. You're doing square root.
Okay.
That one right there, the regular one.
Oh, 348. Good. Now,
So, which one are we
if
doing?
he buys just 1 gallon, which equals 2 half gallons,
No, why
what
don't you
is
put it
he
up?
saving? So if he took the total of the 2 half gallons and subtracted it
Right, error.
for the price of 1 gallon, how
Number
much
5
does
is
it
error.
save?
That always gets confusing. I don't know why.
Numero uno on part 2. Find the powers of the following promise, or just basically solve. What's number 1 equal to?
144.
You're right, 12 times 12 or 144. Number 2?
18K.
Okay. 27, right, X, and since you
82
have parentheses there, it's going to be to
Yep,
the third
you're
power.
both correct.
Okay, so 27.
Okay, so
Okay, the third power.
Greg, you can move your 6 pieces. Number
You see why?
1,
Because
2,
when that
3,
number is
4,
out of the
5.
parentheses,
Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
you're not untouched card.
you got the
You
3
threw
outside
a
the
penny in the
parentheses,
fountain,
right?
and your
Okay.
wish came true. Go to any store.
I'm sorry.
Yay! All right, what are you gonna buy from there?
I'm gonna buy the yogurt.
Okay. All right.
Got this, right? So that 3 is going to apply.
So now you have
And because of the
yogurt.
parentheses, it's going
You
to
only
go
need
here,
one more item.
Jose, and here. So what's the answer?
27X.
Okay.
You got it,
Ashley, roll the
27X
dice.
cubed, which is from.
3. All right. Question.
So this is just 3x cubed.
Ready? Miguel
Right,
and
change
Joe
when we
went
have the
fishing,
parentheses, right?
but didn't catch anything. They decided to buy some tuna on the way home.
'Cause that
They each
parentheses
had
means
$1.
so plus
How
plus
much
plus
change
plus.
will they get after buying 1 can
See what
of
that's
tuna?
number?
So a can of
3.
tuna
Negative 4y squared.
is how much?
How about that one? What's it going to be?
Everything is 119.
Okay. So they combine their $1 and they give it to the cashier. What will their change be?
Wait, wouldn't it be $2?
Yep.
Okay.
Because they have $1 each. They put their money together to buy 1 can of tuna. How much change do they get left?
After the y.
Get back.
Mr. T,
Yep.
how far are you over there? I can't tell if I'm moving on.
We're on number 3. What trouble?
Number 5, you marked it wrong. There's no way that can be wrong.
On number 5? On part 1?
No, part 2.
Okay, we'll get to it.
Zero power.
We'll get to it. Alright. Number 4, 512 to the first power. What is 512 to the first power?
512.
Right, it's just writing out once. How about 6 to the 0 power?
81,
Type this in your
89
calculator.
cents.
Okay,
I mean 81 cents.
What'd you get, Ashley?
6.
Nothing.
Alright,
You
Greg?
didn't let me finish.
YX button. 0.
Well,
Nice.
Equals.
That was a mistake.
All right. Well,
What did you get?
I'll give Greg the buy it.
Type it in now.
He came up with the answer, and it is 81 cents. You were almost there. I think you forgot to switch that to a 9. You made that a 10, make that a 9, and then take. It's confusing borrowing. That's all right. So who rolled? You did, Ashley?
Yeah.
All right. So you don't move. So
Yeah, 1. Anything's 1.
stay where you are.
Okay? So don't be so dramatic about it.
6. All right. You can read me the question. This is just for me.
Okay, good.
Annie's apple pie recipe calls for 2 IDs.
Two what?
IDs.
You know, the regular number, not saying anything, however, string it.
4 Carlton
Right.
apples. How much will the apples?
Oh,
the
4
apples
pounds.
for 2 pies cost.
2 pounds of what? Harrison apples?
IDs.
Yeah, that's pounds.
Oh.
And then what else?
So So if you look up here just for a second, guys,
I'm
I
just
want you
gonna
to kind of see
how much will the
where
apples
this
for
comes
2
from.
pies cost?
We've got a little chart here, right? 4 to the third power is 4 times 4 times 4, which is 64. 4 to the second power is 4 times 4, which is 16. 4 to the first power is just 4 written
358.
out once, right? Which is 4.
Oh, for, wait,
Right?
Oh.
4 written out once.
hold on.
What was that? So 4 written out 0 times,
716
that's going to be 1.
No.
or 350?
Okay?
Nope.
Because 4 is not
Either
written out.
one's wrong?
Automatically 1.
Both of them's
Okay?
wrong.
And that's why you're going to get a
What was the
second.
answer?
And the same thing goes if you want to do
Five,
any kind of chart.
$5
for
and
2.
16 cents.
I see. Let me see. Wait,
To the third power is
apple
10
pie
times
recipe calls for 2
10
pounds of
times
Harrelson apples,
6.2 is
which are $1.29, 18 kilograms 5,
4, 2 times 1
8.
is really just 2 written out once. 2.
How much for apples?
2 to the 0 power,
Pies cost?
always 1. So these are always going to stay the same. Anything to the 0 power is 1. Anything to the first power is that same number. Okay?
I don't get that question. Okay.
So again, if
I
you
didn't get
forget,
it
you can
either.
always punch in your calculator and
doesn't
see what
make
comes
sense.
up.
I don't think the answer was
So
right.
that's part 3 on the
I
bottom
think it
of the
might have
same
been a
page.
typo.
The bottom of the same page.
Okay, yeah, maybe it was, but that's all right.
All right, right
Yeah,
in form
I came up with
of
716,
equation.
not
So
516.
that should be 6 times
All right.
The 5 was a
well,
typo.
6J.
Think,
Don't really need
so
to vote
should I
J
get a
and
buy
J.
it and be able to
Yeah,
move?
you should get a buy it.
Okay.
J equals 12. 6
All right,
times some
so I'm
number
moving
equals
6. What did I,
6X,
oh, was R.
whatever. On to the next one. 6x equals 12, whatever. On to the next one.
9, all right, question for the two of you.
3 times some number, so
All right.
2 equals 24. So
You
you
need-
could really have 3x
Okay, how much,
plus 2 equals 24.
okay, how much does 2 pounds of red delicious apples cost?
You just need to put equals 24.
2 pounds,
Put that in there for you. And you don't really need to go change them. It could just be 3 right?
Like round up.
Okay.
$1.
3x
2
plus
pounds.
equals 24.
Oh, $2.
Okay,
3y.
how much does 3 pounds of potatoes cost?
Number 3, 4 times some number plus 7 equals 15. I think everyone can remember that right. 4x
Round
plus
up.
7 equals 54.
Around that 50.
150.
$1.50.
Sorry, $1.50.
Which costs more, the apples or the potatoes?
We're looking at
You get that week meal.
number
Does
4.
it-
3
which
subtracted
costs
from
more?
some
I'll
number
reread.
equals 4.
Wait, ask you. Which
3
costs more,
minus 3
the 2
equals 4,
pounds
right?
of red
I think you
delicious
guys did a good job on
apples
that.
or the
So
3
subtracted
pounds of
from,
potatoes?
that word is from. C minus 3. Where else for x minus 3? Y minus 3. Because 3 is subtracted from. the number.
You don't even have to subtract. We already did the
Oh,
math.
right.
On to part
It's
4.
kind of obvious.
Yeah.
X
The
minus
apples.
4
Right, 'cause the
equals
apples are
9.
$2
Now,
for
the
2
only
pounds,
thing there, I think
Great.
and the
that's
potatoes
$2.
$1.50.
Sorry.
You had the right, you had the,
I think
No.
you guys did the
I-
full
I-
math pretty
I
good. Just
didn't
make sure you're circling your answers and you're
start.
crossing your things
we did
out,
it together
okay?
though.
Make sure you're crossing
Remember
things
I
out
asked you and you
circling
guys
your
said $2 to round up?
But I
And
think
3
most
of these
the
would be
math is down on
$1.50.
those. I want to look at number 2.
Okay, so Greg, you can
briefly,
move your
okay?
9 spaces.
And some of the other fraction problems.
Can we get by it?
Yep.
So, number 2 is what? 1/2 x equals 4.
Oh, I know why you're asking, 'cause you needed one watch.
Alright.
Oh, you're so close.
Alright, what was it? Finish up
Go
here.
ahead, Ashley.
Come
We're
on,
almost
finish up
done.
here. 1/2 x equals 4.
Look
Remember what we said about the
Yours.
rules on this one, right?
All
So
right.
you want to divide. You go
Question.
multiplication. All you guys divided, but instead of
How much
dividing like this,
do you save by buying
why
a
don't
jar
we do
of generic
the way
pickles
you
versus
divide
the
by
name brand
flipping the
pickles?
fraction and,
So,
right, flipping over
look how
and
much the
multiplying. So
pickles
all I'm
are.
doing here is writing 2 over 1. I flip the fraction, 1 over 2
Oh,
to 2 over 1.
So for,
Name brand
Flip the
are
fraction, 1 over 2 to 2 over 1, and then
29.
multiply.
and
Right?
then
What's 2
generic.
times 1?
So they want you to
2.
pretty much
One,
find the
one,
difference
2.
of the
They
two.
eventually
Which
cross
one?
out.
How much do you save by buying
Enough of that.
the no-name generic brand
Alright, I
compared
use
to
my
the name
fraction
brand?
and flipped over and then multiplied by this side. Okay? When you're dividing fractions, you're actually flipping over and multiplying. When you're
Greg,
dividing
look
fractions,
at
flipping over
what
and
you're
multiplying.
trying to do.
So this would be the
It's
better way,
impossible.
okay? I
You have
flipped
the
this
two
over,
numbers
and now I
correct,
multiply.
but not in the right
Simply
order.
right, and now I did the same thing
But
here.
overall, it's the
You're right,
answer's
Ashley.
okay, right?
Yeah.
Greg just
Now, 4
finished
times
his.
2 is 8. 8 over 1 is 8. But when we get to some other ones, it's not
You can
necessarily
move
exactly
your
right.
big two
One
spaces.
sixty.
So what was your next problem? We had a concern with number 4, you said?
You're adding? I'm asking what
That's
you
exactly-
would save.
Which was the next one? Any problem
Nope,
with
you're
4?
wrong. It was, as Ashley got right, 41 cents. Because all you're doing is 229
Number 3,
minus
okay, let's
188.
look at number 3.
Did that.
Right. 19 minus
Can you
8
read it out to me?
is
19.